Yo, we are back once again. Welcome. Today I'm gonna show you something new we did with our DeLorean. Here you can see the DeLorean keys, and here you can see a remote, also another remote. And if you look in the background, you see the DeLorean. So I'm gonna show you what this remote does. It has two buttons. That's a remote start. Now the car is running over there. You can see it. I'm gonna turn it off, and it's off. So this DeLorean we equip it with a remote start. Also, what I did is I connected a timer with it. So the car will run for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it will automatically shut down when the key is not in the ignition. So when you activate it and you get in the car, put the key in the ignition, the car will run like it should run normally. Now I'm with the car. I'm gonna show you. It's also signed. You can see it. Christopher, Fully Love, and Claudia signed also the car. So I'm gonna show you once again. You got the first button to start the ignition, and the second button to start the car. Also, my camera is activated. You can hear it. That is a build I did a few months ago. Here, if you can see it, I have a button made to activate the camera on or off, so it also films 24/7. And why did I do it like this? Because when the car is parked in my garage, it's not necessary to film 24/7 because it's closed in a closed environment. But outside on a event or something, I can turn it on. So now I can turn the camera also off, and the camera will disconnect. So this is what I did. I have also a video I did for my from my third brake light. You can check it out. It's a cool light I did, and I have still a work to do next time. Also something with lightning I need to change. This car is also equipped with LEDs and front. Now you can not see it. The car is lowered. It's in mint condition, so the car is very clean. Also on the inside everything is redone. I have a new transmission, also have a video from that. So if you want to see what's coming next, push the subscribe button, follow us, see what we do with the DeLoreans, see our builds, all our other cars. We are a performance center, so we do any all crazy builds, lightning, engine tune, everything else. Follow us, visit our Facebook page Lectromotive Belgium, follow us, see what's going on, and support us. See ya.